Hello everyone and welcome back to Skills Academy. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of adding funds to your Google Ads account. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Ads account and navigate to the Billing section. You can find this by clicking on the Billing tab in your dashboard. Once in the Billing section, you will see a summary of your account, including your current balance. If you need to add funds, click on the Make a Payment button. A window will pop up giving you the option to add funds to cover your future service costs. You can choose to add funds based on the last payment amount, or you can enter a custom amount. For example, if you want to add 100 euros in your account, simply enter that amount and click Continue. Review the details of your payment and then click Pay Now to finalize the transaction. And add funds to your Google Ads account. And that's it guys, as simple as that. You've successfully added funds to your Google Ads account. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.